Hello everybody, it's Aditya here. Welcome to Tech. Today we have a little more news. So without any talks, here you go. Now friends, let's see our news. Twitter ban in Nigeria leaves some businesses in the lurch. Xiaomi teases to launch a new Mi TV tipped to have OLED display. Xiaomi is tipped to start exploring ways to bring mini LED and OLED TVs at compelling prices over time. It's a little noisy outside. Apple reveals new game controls UI and SDKs. Apple will allow for better sharing of images and videos capturing while playing games. Apple Watch Series 7 said to be in the work with body temperature, blood sugar sensors. Apple is planning to refresh its watch lineup this year by adding a faster processor, improving wireless connectivity, and an updated screen. Airtel takes on Jio. Being 5G trial network in Gurugram offers over 1 Gbps speed in testing space. Following the initial trailer, Airtel plans to conduct a similar test run in Mumbai in the coming days. YouTube bans mustard advertisement for politics, alcohol, gambling, prescription drugs. YouTube said the change built on its move last year to retire all full-day masthead advertisement. Amazon testing robots to work autonomously in warehouses. To make employees do more critical thinking job, Amazon is keen on developing robots to carry out physical tasks. Amazon Flipkart CCI antitrust probes to be expedited as tech focus intensifies. Competition Commission of India CCI initiated a probe into Amazon and Flipkart practices in January last year. Facebook and Instagram faced notice from Delhi High Court over objectionable content related to Hindu deities. The court was hearing a petition against posts put up by some Instagram users that showed abusive language written about Hindu gods and goddesses. Global smartphone shipment to grow 12% in 2021. 5G phones to overtake 4G counterparts by 2022. Component supply bottlenecks are predicted to limit the growth potential to some extent. Cryptocurrency sees second week of outflow. Ether posts record outflows. Bitcoin rose about $40,000, roughly around 30 lakhs, following tweet Elon Musk, who said Tesla may resume transactions using it. Bitcoin transfer soared in El Salvador, but still a fraction of dollar remittance. El Salvador last week became the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. Russia president denies cyber attack on US ahead of summit with President Joe Biden. Asked if Russia was waging a cyber war against the United States, Putin said, "Where is proof? It's becoming fractured." Zhenzhou 12. China ready to launch first crew to new space station. The mission in China's first crewed space flight is nearly 5 years. Pokemon Go creator announced new AR game Transformers. Heavy Metals beta rollout soon. Registrations have gone live on the official Transformers Heavy Metal site. HDFC mobile banking app down again. Customers should use net banking for now. HDFC mobile banking app is down, but debit card payments are working. Hyundai GM serious about flying cars efforts. May bring air taxis as soon as 2025. Hyundai hopes it could have an air taxi service in operation as soon as 2025. Google Workspace tool now available to all users with a Google account. Gmail users can create rooms collaboration space in Google Chat to keep everyone up to date and share ideas. Call of Duty Warzone Black Ops Cold War getting Season 4 on June 17. Call of Duty Warzone will get a new dirt bike vehicles as well as new points of interest. Hitman Sniper. The Shadows unveiled at E3 2021 launching for Android and iOS later this year. Hitman Sniper. The Shadow has been developed by Square Enix who also developed Hitman Sniper. That's it friends, we reached the end of the video. Hope you guys got the newses. Okay, let's see in the very next video. Until then, thank you guys.